Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let's Fulfill Dreams. So friends, in today's video I will share with you 10 sentences and words related to environment which will be very helpful for your writing and speaking parts. So friends, if you use these sentences and words in your writing and in your speaking parts, then I can assure you that your band score will increase by 1 band. You get 1 extra band by using these words and these sentences in your writing part also. So friends, I have structured these sentences by taking into considerations all requirements of IELTS writing, like cohesion, coherence, lexical sources, grammatical range. Everything has included in these sentences. So if you want to score 1 extra band, then must watch these videos, and on every day I will upload such kind of videos. So subscribe my channel so that you will get similar videos when I upload. You get notifications. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, the first word is erosion. Erosion means destruction or deterioration. Now we will use this word in a sentence like deforestation, wind and water are the main causes of soil erosion. So friends, you can use synonym of erosion which are destruction and deterioration in next sentences in your writing parts, so that you can't repeat the similar words if you get similar topic related to environment. So deforestation and soil erosion, destruction, deterioration and erosion. You have these 5 to 6 new words which you can use in your one sentence, and it is become a complex sentence. You will get extra bands by representing your ideas in such a simple way. So friends, you can also check the formation of the sentence like comma, and it is a small sentence. Next you will find more complex sentence. Next word is habitat. It's a noun. So habitat means environment we live in, or you can say dwelling, or you can say nature home of animals. So now we will use this word in a sentence like, as we humans have destroyed the natural habitats of animals, a plethora of animals are at the brim of extinction. So you can find many new words to make this a complex sentences. You can also find grammatically range. For example, as we, comma, humans, then again comma, and has destroyed the natural habitat of animals, comma, a plethora of animals are at the brim of extinction. Brim means at the end of or at the corner of extinction. Extinction means they are eloping, they are destroying. There is no further generation of these animals. So you have many new words you can use in similar topic related to environment. So friends, you can also check the formation of this sentence. So I'll demand you similar structure of sentences in your writing part. So friends, the next word is extinction. Extinction means elimination or disappearance. So now we will use this word in a sentence like, regulatory authorities must issue some stringent rules against deforestation. Only that will preserve many species from extinction. Friends, you can check. This is a complex tenses, and this sentence have many complex, or you can say uncommon words which make it a good scoring sentence. So extinction, you can use the synonym of extinction like elimination and disappearance, and similar in next sentences. So friends, I try to make it a complex, and it has all requirements of the fetching more bands. So friends, now we will move to the next word. Next word is evolution. Evolution means development or progress. Evolution is a noun. So now we will use this word in a sentence like the evolution of the human species took myriad centuries. Myriad means a number of centuries. Instead of myriad you can use plethora and many, a number of, there are many synonyms you can use. You should always try to use synonyms of every word in the next sentence, so you can't repeat the similar words again and again. So you can check my earlier sentences also, that I always try to use the new words, uncommon words in every sentence. So the synonym of evolution is development or progress, so you can use these words instead of evolution. So the checker will understand your level of English and you will benefit like extra scores for these kinds of structures and these kind of using of these words. So friends, now we will move to the next word. The next word is emission. Emission means discharge or release of gases or radiation. Emission is a noun, and a radiation, I think I wrote a radiation, it's a radiation. So the example of emission of gases from factories, while avoiding environmental protection laws regulation, is the significant cause of air pollution. So friends, it is a complex sentence as per the requirements of more than 7 bands. You can check the commas while avoiding the environment protection laws regulations, then again comma is the significant cause of air pollution, significant, essential or crucial, you can use these kinds of words. So emission is also related to the environment. In any cue cards you get related to environment, then you can use these kinds of words. This will assuredly help you to increase your bands. So now we will move to the next word. The next word is biodegradable. Biodegradable means a substance or object capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms and thereby avoiding pollution. In simple language, biodegradable means which can be used again or destroyed by the organisms. So now we will use these words in a sentence like plastic being a non-degradable product should be avoided. Plastic, being a non-biodegradable product should be avoided. So friends, you can see you should not always try to make every sentence is a complex sentence. You can use such kind of simple sentences also, because it requires variety of different structures. You should not always try to make every sentence a complex sentence. You should use some simple, some complex sentences in your essay. So the biodegradable word you can use in your speaking parts, in cue cards related to environment. So the next word is catastrophe. Catastrophe is an adjective. It means disaster or mishap. So now we will use this word in a sentence. For instance, the catastrophic fire in Australian forests in 2019 had destroyed millions of animals, including kangaroos. So friends, in a topic related to environment, you should know you have to add one example. So I structured the sentence for example. Like instead of saying writing for example, you can say for instance. Then I have given one recent example of catastrophic fire in Australian forest in 2019 had destroyed millions of animals and including kangaroos. Including, then writing after comma the including kangaroos make this a some complex sentence. So the reader and the examiner will check these kinds of the genuine example as well. So the next word is combat. Combat means stop or curb. For example, there should be strict laws to combat the air pollution so that Earth planet could be preserved to live for future generations. So friends, have you noticed I have never repeated any single word again in any sentence. I'm writing different words, different kind of structure, using different words related to environment. So your words should be related to the topic. You should not go out of topic, because it will be penalized. Your words, if you use some difficult or some complex sentences, then it should be related to your topic, not off topic. Only then it is the use of using these complex words or complex sentences. Otherwise, if you go out of topic, you are using some different kinds of words which are not related to your topic, then you got less bands. So you should be cautious. So the next word is ecosystem. Ecosystem means a large community of living organisms, plants, animals and microbes in a particular area. So you can use ecosystem in your sentences, like to preserve the ecosystem, deforestation should be stopped, pollution should be controlled, more trees should be planted. So friends, have you checked the structure of this sentence? This is different from the earlier sentences, so it will boost your band score in grammatically range, because in this sentence I have used some different structure. I have not used only simple comma or and. So you can check these kinds of structures. This will surely help you to boost your band scores. So you can use this ecosystem word in your speaking parts as well. So the last word is flora and fauna, means plants and animals. So now we will use this word in sentence, like although government has framed many laws to save the flora and fauna, however humans are not following these guidelines. So like in firstly I use many laws, then in last I changed the following these guidelines. I have not written like humans are not following these laws. I have changed the word guidelines.